Life in our homeland is truly beautiful, especially when you are outside, close to nature. Today, I chose to cook natural, traditional food. I first peeled the ingredients properly, then placed them in my usual cooking pot. I added beans to bring out that special flavor, because when beans are mixed with potatoes, the taste warms the heart. I collected firewood, dry sticks, and small branches, then started a fire. Slowly, the flames grew. The food began to simmer gently, a natural one-pot dish, cooked outside the house, without electricity, without expensive appliances. This is the best way to return to our roots, to remember the simple life of the past, humble,